Hey guys, so I know I look crazy and I know this is not the best lighting in the world, but I feel like this natural light is doing me some justice. So we're gonna do this video real fast. It's not gonna be as fancy schmancy as my other video about SPRAYGROUND, but not mean that I don't have an incredible love for SPRAYGROUND. So I just posted a video about moving in to my apartment, so there's that video, and in that video I show some of the things I don't have here right now, but there you go. So the first thing that I'm excited for both things, but like really excited about is this tote. I think it's Sharks and Candy is what it's called. I will try to link it, but I don't know it's sold out. I think the backpack is sold out. Okay, so this is not sold out currently, I'm pretty sure. It's the black with the pink shark around the side, and then there's this little tag with a little mirror, and it says SPRAYGROUND here, and it's that darker middle that I have on the black tote. I'm not looking at the camera, I'm looking at the viewfinder. I'm sorry if it looks bad, but just know that I'm accidentally looking above you. So the dark middle I was talking about, that's the same on the black. The black bag I have of this that also has this black, which I think is the 3 AM, I think that's what it is. So this collection I knew I had to have because I have the big large black duffel that is basically this without this, but the shark is all black and the same metal, so I needed this. And on top of that, I have, this is my current backpack. So this is the pink that you can no longer get. I think it's what's called like the pink anime. So this is sold out, long gone. I'm just saying, if we were being travel bae, we would have the color matching. Look, I didn't say it in the video, I'll say it again. Sisters, but not twins. This works with my black duffel, and then I have the small pink duffel that came out with this, and the toiletry bag that went out with this. All of this matches. SPRAYGROUND did something. Like, for the girls, they are doing something this year, y'all. If you're not keeping up, shit's about to be sold out, and that's your loss. But they're really keeping up with stuff, and I told y'all to follow their Instagram, go to the website, because they post up on the website before they even post the advertisement for it on Instagram. So by the time it posts on Instagram, shit's sold out. But if you are also subscribed to their website and all that shit, you're gonna get to it before anybody else knows it's even out. So this is the bag. Also the detail, oh my gosh, I wish I would zoom in on not my face. That detail right there is the same detailing that is on, I have the it's in my car, is like the same detailing that's like on, I showed you a sneak peek, but like on all their bags and their straps for the duffels. So I thought it was super nice that they just didn't make it like a black strap, they added like detail to it, so they thought it out. Also, I need to talk about these new tags, because I know it's so stupid to like, oh my gosh, they're new tags, but like this is growth. This is freaking growth. So on my old backpack I do still have the tags, and it's a little worn, beaten up. So basically it was just like a nice hard tag, and it was like that. Obviously it could rip off because it's just kind of that. And then I have, this is what it looks like, the little money for it, and the same little red little zip tie kind of thing. These new tags, y'all, growth. First of all, it's one of those tags. Can't tell me that's not cool. And then on top of that, it has a little metal thing, so it can't just rip off. And they redesigned this to put like crazy cool details that you would love to know, like the limited edition thing never produced again, because people don't really know that. It's the vegan leather, built to withstand, And then it has the website and limited warranty and everything. So I just think that's really cool. And then the money. So like everybody was always so confused. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder again. Everybody was also always so confused on like what this money was. Like, should you throw it away? Should you cut it off? So on the original one, it just says the value. It doesn't say what it is, what it does, or whatever. But like I think the inside thing about it is like you were supposed to keep it for pop-ups. That's like from what my knowledge, like quote me, like don't quote me on it. But this one, so basically they redesigned it on top of that. So they redesigned it. And then on the back, I already showed you guys my code, but it's all right. It says 1 billion. Yeah, 1 billion. And on the bottom, there's a code. And then it says, go to sprayground.com/shark-stacks for redeeming details. They have now, honestly, I didn't think this was possible. Like, I love packaging and tags for things. Like, I think it's a level of something. Like when you buy something, everything was designed for a reason, so you should appreciate it. I think this is so cool. So much growth. I love it. I love this company, obviously, and I think that just, I mean, also I'm a kid. Like, what kid doesn't like this? Or person, honestly. So that's the outside of it. No secret pockets on this, because I remember I was actually doing this backpack, the backpack video, I think it was, or the duffel. No, it was the duffel, the mini duffel. I was doing my video on it, and I did not find a secret pocket until after like a month of using it, and I was like, oh crap. So now I have to always look for secret pockets. So I have my Amazon order in here just to hold it up because it was squished when it was packaged. But this is the inside of it. I think it has the sharks like it does on everything else. Again, the same bread thing, never produced again. And then this is so nice. So there's an inside pocket, right, with a zipper, but it says SPRAYGROUND New York in it. Like, luxury, you hear me? So then there's a zipper in there. I love this. I have been trying to get one of these totes. That was hard. Trying to find one that would match the things I already have. Super hard. And I like pink, so it had to have pink or black in it. I really didn't want any other color. And I finally got one. Oh, I'm so happy. So happy. I needed this very, very much. So now I have that. And they should sell, actually, SPRAYGROUND. They should sell inserts or something, because I think that'd be super nice. But if not, I'll just find one somewhere, or just something to add some structure to it. Oh, let's see. Oh, cute. Works perfect. If you're wondering, I am 5'7", and it works. It doesn't look too big on me either. Oh, love it. And my favorite thing is that it has a zipper. I need that. So the zipper. Oh, how cute is she? Oh, I can't. Okay, and obviously you've gotten the sneak peek of the print. So this is my backup backpack. So this is like I like this classic style of their backpacks. They do have one that has like the like, I think the magnetic buttons, and you just flip the top up. I like their zipper bag style. Like, I like this style of it. So again, the black with the pink shark. Same style tags. The eyes are right there. I like the white too. I think it's really cute, because on this one, it's just like colored in teeth. But I don't know if you can, there's a lot going on. This one has all the blocks, like even the white are blocks, like from and they have like a bag that has the white too, so I think that's super cute. Again, the dark metal hardware with the 2 Velcro pockets. If you don't end up using them for water bottles, they will secretly or securely store things. Straps, again, know you can't see, I'm sorry, but the back pocket, and the back pocket does have a bottom Velcro, so it just kind of, I guess, I don't know. I guess you can put it on like your luggage, like slip your luggage there. I don't know. All the support things and ventilation things, all that stuff. Obviously the SPRAYGROUND thing. I don't know if you've ever seen that. There that is on the bag. And then this really actually useful pocket right under the handle. And the only, I think, difference that I'm aware of from my current backpack and this backpack, I'm pretty sure they're the same size, but the only thing difference that I'm aware of is this has, I love how the zipper fits perfectly in the hole, by the way. Is this one has this pocket, which is along the front of it, and this one, I know it's floppy, does not, but it's okay. I still love the bag. And so you can leave that out, or since I'm not using this backpack yet, I'm going to, give me a second, tuck it behind the leather. So then also this one, instead of having the red, it has the metal, which this one was the rubber red one, so works for me either way. I don't have a preference. So let me open it. I have a piece of foam in there. Same insides, the shark that has a little mesh pocket there, and then the big compartment, and then it has a laptop sleeve, and then again the red never produced again, and then there is a little half zipper pocket right there. And let me check, but there's no secret pockets. I think that's all the pockets that this thing has, but I love this. I love it. I love what they're doing. I love their new tags. I didn't even know they had new tags, and now I have a new backpack and a new bag, so that's super nice. And they always come in these plastic bags, so they always stay clean. And since I'm not going to use this yet, I'm going to, ow, I just elbowed the wall. I'm going to put it in the bag, and there it is. There's my video on it. So the backpack, I'm for sure sold out. The bag, I think, is still available, and obviously by the time I upload this, I don't know if the bag will still be in stock, but they're doing a huge amount of new releases right now, so I think you guys should follow their Instagram, go follow my Instagram, subscribe to their website, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also like this video, please. And if you like SPRAYGROUND, you should get something from SPRAYGROUND. And yeah, love the bag, love the stuff. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.